These lights turn on automatically, cost me nothing in electricity, and make my home feel safer. And that's why I use them. I wanted more outdoor lighting without increasing my power bill. Solar motion lights solved both. As we go along the side of the house, the solar motion lights come on, as they should. I have 3 along the side of the house, and there is the third one right there. And then I have one on the corner of the house that's a fairly bright light. As soon as I turn around, it comes right on so that I can see what I'm doing when I get home in the dark. And if anybody comes to my property, I will know they're there and they will be able to see where they are. This little light is one of my favorites. It came as a 6-pack. You could buy multiple lights in a pack if you wanted. It is what's called, I believe, an under the railing light. It is an angular light. It attaches with the 2 screws at the top that just simply bolt into your railing. And it's got a button on the bottom to control any of the functionalities that it has. Now, this light is not as versatile. I bought 4 of these. The light itself only moves up and down. The solar panel is connected to it, so it is very little movement of the solar panel. It does have these 2 side lights that are kind of like wings, and they do move. It attaches to your building with a clip that you screw in the back, and then you slide the light into the clip. That is how this one works. These lights do last a very long time, which is why I really like them. That is one of my favorite features. As you can see, this light was covered with snow and it is still coming on. They only come on for 30 seconds, but they do last a very long time, even though the solar panel is covered with snow. One of my favorite lights that I bought. It was a little more expensive. Solar panel is separate from the light. This light is more like a regular motion sensor light that you would buy in Home Depot for your house, with the sensor at the bottom that swivels. The sensor has multiple settings on it. This is the view for the top. The solar panel is separate, and the solar panel moves from side to side and up and down. So you can angle this solar panel pretty much in any way to get the light to capture on it. Lights move in much better angles than the other ones that I had with the solar panels that were attached to them. The two side lights swivel in multiple directions, which is fantastic. The sensor on the bottom of this light has multiple adjustments for the sensitivity of the sensor and also for the time that the light stays on for it. I have it set for the maximum, which is 1 minute and 30 seconds. It lights up the yard pretty nicely, although I find that with it running for 1 minute and 30 seconds for each time, it does seem to drain the battery with the solar panel being in such a shaded spot. Here's another view of this fantastic light. I highly recommend this one. This one is definitely my favorite. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Jen. This is Barlow. On this channel, we discuss gardening, nature, do-it-yourself projects around the home that anybody can do, foraging, and of course, dog videos. I'm glad you're here. If you're interested in more content like this, please click the subscribe button down below. I'll see you in the next one.